Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. Today I have a surprise guest here crafting with us. So we're gonna just go ahead and get into the video. All right, so as you can see, there are 4 hands on the table. My daughter is here crafting with me today because she wanted to make birthday sashes for herself and her grandmother, my mother. Their birthdays are one day apart. My mother's is the 22nd, hers is the 23rd. So, she wanted to make sashes. She originally said that she wanted to, I'm gonna cut and talk. She originally said that she wanted to make them out of paper, but I gave her the idea of making them out of ribbon. Like sashes are, you know, made if you purchase one. And I told her that I would help her, but she had to be a part of it because this was technically her idea. This is what she wanted for their birthday. So, birthdays. So she is going to be here with me today, and she's going to be very much hands-on. So say hello.
Hi guys.
Okay. I'm going to give her the one for my mom to weed. So and I'm teaching her as we go along. So she doesn't, you want to flip it over. And you want to start from the corner and take off all that excess vinyl. So see? You see how I grabbed the corner?
Mm-hmm. Very hard.
Here, with this, you take it like this and pick it up.
How'd you do that so amazing?
Well, I had already did it.
Oh. Got it through there.
Okay, so what we're gonna do, put down your weeding tool and pull. So we're going out on my mother's birthday for dinner. But my mom allowed my daughter to choose because she wanted to take her out. She, as in my mother, wanted to take my daughter out for her birthday. So the family's going, the whole family's going. All right, so you want to weed out all, and what we're using is red foil, and this is by Caesar Easy Weed. So,
I thought it was better rip it, but that's the part on the...
Yeah. All right, so you just keep pulling.
It feels like I'm gonna like rip it. Okay.
There you go. See? Very good. And make sure your T stays down. All right, now you want to weed out the middle parts. So with this...
I think I've done that before. I don't know.
Okay. All right, well, since we have some weeding to do, I am going to speed this up and play a little music while we continue to weed. All right, you guys, we have finally gotten everything all weeded out. It took some time because we are also putting some crowns. Can you even see them? Let me see. There we go. Of course, I had to show her how to do it, and I had to kind of take over at one point because it was so small, but we got it done. Okay. I bought this ribbon, this Celebrate It from Michaels, and it is for 4 inches by 10 yards. So I thought this was wide enough to go around, you know, as a sash. So just in case you're looking to make your own, they have all different colors. I already cut them to size, but I did want to be able to show you guys what it was that we're using. All right, so I'm gonna bring in my daughter's sash first. All right, there's a dull side and a shiny side. So of course we're gonna put it on the shiny side. We do need to pre-press this. So let me do that first before we start getting the words laid down. Okay, we just did a pre-press for both of them. And now we're going to get the words laid down on here.
This the shiny side?
So now what you're gonna do is lay the words down, lay the word down.
Yeah, press it down.
Yep, press it down. There you go. Now get the princess. And you want to make sure it's even. That's too, you can bring it a little closer. Oh, you forgot to weed. Oh, I forgot to weed. Oh, didn't I read yours?
Yeah, you weeded mine.
I forgot some middles there. Oops. Look at the teacher forgetting. Okay, here. Yeah, you can bring it closer because look, move your hand for a second. You have space here, and so you can bring it
like on it, kind of.
Not on it, but right there we go, just like that.
Okay, and then I just press this.
There we go.
Do we need that one?
Now, what I think we should have done is look, it's all the way over here. Look at all this space we have over here. We should move it over just a little bit.
Oh, okay.
All right, so what we're gonna do, you guys, is just shift it just a little bit. We're just trying to make sure that the placement is the best, so it's not off, obviously. All right, so we have birthday princess, and then the crown will go here. But of course, we can't put the crown down yet, but the crown would be the last thing we do because of why?
Oh, because we have to like heat press this part, and if we don't and we just put that on there, and when we like lift this up, the crown will come with it since it's not heat pressed onto the actual sash.
Exactly. Very good. All right, but we're going to leave it here until we take it to the heat press, and then of course we'll remove it, okay? So let's move yours here, and let's bring in Jima's. All right, so this one is for Jima, and we're going to put birthday here. And just so you all know, she chose all these fonts. I made her be a part of the entire process. I said, this is your project. I'm just helping you out because you don't know how all this goes. But she chose the font and the crowns, the wording, everything was her doing. I'm just here as her sidekick.
You're teaching me, so.
True. Just a little backstory. This young lady here missed my mom's birthday by minutes. She was literally born 26 minutes after the hour. So I was in labor all day long thinking she was going to have the same birthday as my mom, and she came 26 minutes after midnight. So she also has a crown for hers. So here, where does the crown go? Yep, right over the E's, and of course we will do, but not crooked like that.
Oh, I didn't know it was crooked.
Okay. And then we'll do the placement at the heat press. Okay, so let me ask you, what do we do next?
We go to the heat press.
That's right. So we'll meet you at the heat press. All right, you guys, the sashes are out of the heat press. They came out really good. I mean, this foil went down very nicely. There's none of that crinkling where it kind of looks wrinkly. None of that. I mean, it is so smooth. That's my mom's Gma, as my daughter calls her, and that's my daughter's. How you like them?
It's so cute. I like the hearts on mine.
You like the hearts?
Yeah.
Yeah, so girly. Okay, so before we go, why don't you explain to them why you wanted to make the sashes?
Well, I wanted to make the sashes because I wanted like the photos that we took to be like cute, like with the matching sashes, especially because they're like the same color and stuff, and I thought they would be really cute.
Okay, so there you have it. That is why she wanted this done, and I'm happy that I could help elevate your idea. And although you wanted to make the sashes yourself with some paper, I think these are pretty darn cute, right? So I'm glad I was able to help you make your idea of celebrating your birthday with your Gma a little special. Thanks again for hanging out with us today as we created these birthday sashes. Before you go, don't forget to like, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on your bell notifications so you don't miss a video of mine. So she doesn't know how I end my video, so I gotta school her a little bit. And so I do a little fingers and I say, later guys. Here we go.
Okay.
Later guys.